everyone, my name is Abosede. Welcome to Yoruba Roots, where knowledge meets adventure. I am the brain behind Yoruba Roots. I'm a pharmacist and I'm also a mama of two beautiful kids. Yoruba Roots started as a result of me trying to teach my own children how to speak Yoruba. Though my daughter could understand, but she could not speak. And even the little bit that she could speak, she wasn't really confident speaking it. And I discovered this is because most of our peers did not speak Yoruba. So this made me decide to teach the kids in my community how to speak Yoruba. I remember when we went to Nigeria when she was about 4 years old, and the surprise on everybody's face when they realized that she could understand Yoruba, even though she couldn't speak a lot, but it was amazing to see that she could understand. This is how Yoruba Roots started. The aim of this channel is to be able to reach more people and teach them how to speak the Yoruba language. Yoruba language is a language from one of the tribes in Nigeria. And this channel is not only for Yoruba people, it is for everyone that is interested in learning how to speak Yoruba language. On this channel, we aim to teach the kids about the language, but also about the culture. This will help our kids to identify with their roots and also to have a sense of belonging as Yoruba people. We will teach them things like folk tales, riddles, and so many other fun things in Yoruba. I remember when I was young, for example, my dad used to tell us a lot of Yoruba stories, and we would learn so many lessons from them. I don't know if a lot of you can relate to that. I definitely remember doing that when I was young. And if you would like to learn more, if you would like to go deeper than what we teach on our channel, we have virtual classes weekly as well, where we teach kids Yoruba language and we go deeper in those lessons. We hope that you join us on this journey. Subscribe to our channel, like and share with everyone that you think would be interested in learning how to speak Yoruba. Orúkọ mi ni Abosede Bamidele. Ẹ káàbọ̀ sí ilé-ìwé Yoruba Roots. Ní orí channel wa, a fẹ́ máa kọ́ àwọn ọmọ wa bí wọ́n ṣe ń sọ èdè Yorùbá kí wọ́n dẹ̀ lè gbọ́ èdè Yorùbá. A máa kọ́ wọn ní oríṣiríṣi eré ìdárayá, a máa pa àlọ́ fún wọn, a máa kọ́ wọn ní oríṣiríṣi àwọn òwe. Gbogbo ẹni tó bá nífẹ̀ẹ́ sí èdè Yorùbá náà ló lè darapọ̀ mọ́ wa ní orí channel wa. A lérò pé ẹ máa darapọ̀ mọ́ wa láti gbé èdè Yorùbá lárugẹ. Ẹ tún lè darapọ̀ mọ́ wa lórí ẹ̀rọ ayélujára tí a ti ń kọ́ àwọn ọmọ ní Yorùbá ní ọ̀sọ̀ọ̀sẹ̀. A máa ń ṣe èyí ní ọjọ́ àbámẹ́ta. Èdè Yorùbá dùn lẹ́nu púpọ̀, àbẹ́ẹ̀ rí bó ṣe dùn lẹ́nu mi báyìí. Yorùbá bọ̀ wọ́n ní ọmọ tó bá sọ lẹ́nu ó sọ àpò ìyàkọ́. Ẹ má jẹ́ ká gbàgbé ilé. Ẹ darapọ̀ mọ́ wa lórí channel wa kí a sì máa nífẹ̀ẹ́ sí àwọn àwòrán wa yìí. Ẹ ṣé gan-an.